Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to split a PDF into separate PDF files using tools already built into your Mac. If you have a PDF that contains multiple pages and you want each page saved as its own individual PDF, you can do that quickly with Preview. Start by locating your PDF file in Finder. Right-click the file, choose Open With, and then select Preview. Once the document opens, you'll see all of its pages inside the PDF. If the page thumbnails are not visible on the left side, click View in the menu bar and choose Thumbnails. You could also use the sidebar button in Preview to display them. This makes it much easier to work with individual pages. Now, select the page you want to separate. Click and hold that page thumbnail, then drag it directly onto your desktop and release it. Preview will automatically create a new PDF file containing only that page. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. It helps support the content and lets us create more Mac and iPhone guides. Next, repeat the same process for any remaining pages. Simply drag each page thumbnail from the sidebar to your desktop or another folder. Every page you drag out becomes its own standalone PDF file. As a useful tip, you can drag pages into a specific folder instead of your desktop if you want to keep everything organized from the start. You can also rename the newly created PDFs right away so they're easier to identify later. Once you've dragged out all the pages you need, you'll have multiple separate PDF files instead of one combined document. It's a fast method that doesn't require any extra software or online tools. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.